Hello, today I'm in Dodge Ram. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Thanks to this panel, we can navigate through speedometer display, if you press this button you'll activate voice assistant. Of course, these two buttons allows you to answer and end the calls. Next, right here, you can use this button to increase the gear or decrease it. And this button allows you to enable and disable cruise control and manage it. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.